So if we have a bearish bias and we can read and understand what the market is hinting, and it's hinting a big raise structurally, look over here in this price action, all over here. There's an inability for the market to close in the zone now. So the way I interpret that is like sellers are now heavily defending this area. And we can see that from the close on this bar with the high volume. So even though there's a lack of supply here and there's an attempt to hold and we get a pop in volume, I don't see overt buying. Okay, it's how you frame everything that provides you with the trading mindset. That's good. Buying's decreasing. And then if you weren't pulled in here on the lows, what do you think you can do on this bar? Now look, we push on up. We interact with the lower boundary again. Pay attention. Slam straight down. We engulf all of this price action, all of these closes on huge volume. Now think of this logically. This bar here, we see selling off the highs. This bar interacts with the lower boundary, engulfs all of this price action and closes deeper towards the lows in this bar. And we have all of this volume. So this is good selling coming into the market. I was in here, so what do you think we should do on this bar? Yeah, add. You guys know how I play the market now. Supply this thought process for you. David Weis taught me, essentially because I trade more like David, to fish around the edges, which is structure. We can all agree with that. That's why I have my lines everywhere. So if you enter in and around structure, you should exit in and around structure. And it's nothing to do with mindset. It's nothing to do with psychology. It's to do with system. It's to do with having your system in place and abiding to those rules. You need to make your trading as mechanical as possible in the beginning to obtain consistency and profitability. If you don't have that in place, it will be incredibly difficult. Incredibly difficult.